believes what we've seen. Who would have thought he would look like this? Innocent blood flows from this man, soaks the ground, stains my hands. And just you look at him now, bent and broken, bruised and beaten past recognition. And what crime was his? The truth is, I deserve this. I deserve this. Not a word passed from his lips, pure offering of a perfect gift. Yet these words unspoken echo through my soul. Now I know no greater love than this. And just you look at him now, dying to save me, suffering he forgave me. Now I know that this crime was mine all this time. I deserve this. 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 I deserve this.